In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a WhatsApp link in your TikTok bio. The first thing you need to do is you need to open up TikTok and you actually need to get a TikTok business account. Now, in order to do this, you will need at least 1,000 followers in order to add a clickable link into your bio. So first off, we need to make a business account, and to do that, all you want to do is you want to go to the top right and select on these three bars, then select on settings and privacy. Afterwards, please go ahead and select on account. Then you will see this option that says switch to business account right up here, and that will allow you to actually change your personal TikTok account into an actual business account. And you will need a business account in order to add any type of link, including a WhatsApp link. So once you're done with that, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and go back to your TikTok profile. And this time you want to go to your profile. Then you want to go ahead and press on edit right over here. And then you guys should see a link over here that says add a link. And then you guys actually are able to add a link. Now, unfortunately, I don't have a TikTok business account. And that is because I don't have over 1,000 followers. But if you guys have over 1,000 followers, then you guys will see that option. And then from there, you guys will be able to go ahead and link WhatsApp or any other link that you do have, whether it's a personal website or a WhatsApp link. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.